Good morning, class. Myself, Umesh R. Rathore, lecturer in Mechanical Engineering from Vallabhpuri Polytechnic, Navsari. In today's lecture, we are learn about rolling process defect. Object subject Manufacturing Engineering 1, subject code triple T 1901. So, starting with rolling process defect and its causes. So, what are the reason for these defects? The first one is cracks on surface. Due to much work hardening in rolling process, if we apply more pressure on workpiece with the help of roller, there will be a region of cracks on surface. The layers of the rolling sheet can be cracked from its center, or either it's from tear from its center or from its edges as shown in figure. So much work hardening in rolling process produce crack on surfaces. The next one is rough surface. This is due to oxidation after hot rolling process. In hot rolling, material get heated. So the heated material absorb moisture from the atmosphere, and the region of absorb moisture from the atmosphere, there is the oxidation process occur, and this will introduce the corrosion of the material. So the material in appearance look dull or corrodized due to oxidation process. The next one is fin. The reason behind this is more material than required between two rollers in rolling process. If we apply more material than required, the small layer or amount of material can be introduced on the surface of a rolling sheet or a particles. This will appear to look like a oxidized or corrodized material, but this is not oxidized or corrosive material. This is due to pressure and more material than the required material. The next is slab. Overfilling of material during rolling pass. As shown in figure, there is a two layer of roller sheets on this figure. This is because of introduce more material than the required. So it will overlap to each another, and it's segregated into different parts. The next defect is non-uniform deformation due to uneven cross-section of complex shape like channel and rail, etc. Due to complexity of the job, there will be a chances of non-uniform deformation. As shown in our first figure, we would like to produce a I channel, but due to non-uniform deformation or due to heat, it will be bent or burnt inside or outside from the edges. The next one is blowholes. Due to pressure of gas in metal in mold. We have to discuss our moisture from the atmosphere come into the metal during hot rolling process. When this moisture comes in contact with hot metal, it will form bubble, and if there will be a greater chances of getting outside from that material, it produce blowholes in that materials. As shown in different material, there will be like holes in different materials. Pipes. It's one other type of defect in rolling process due to uneven cooling. In this type of defect, the edges of the roller sheet or pipes are to be dull or become burnt or tear from its edges. So this type of defect known as pipes, and the reason behind this is uneven cooling. Segregation impurities. impurities enters in a liquid metal during casting, pouring and cooling process. During casting, pouring or cooling, it comes to atmosphere, and atmosphere impurities like dust, moisture comes in contact to the liquid metal, causes segregation impurities in the product. As shown in this figure, it's a small amount of dust particles moisture contained in a products comes out from the atmosphere. The next one is hot spot or chill surface due to unidirectional solidification. If the solidification doesn't done in uniform way, there will be a chances of hot spot, like the layer comes out from above side or in underside. Such type of spot known as hot spot or chill surface. Breakage due to uneven cooling and thermal residual stress. It will be a bend from its both of its edges or twist from its end. Such type of defect known as breakage, and this is due to uneven cooling, a thermal and residual stress produced during hot rolling process. Thank you, student. Thanks for listening me carefully.